Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how you can edit password or change password in TikTok. To do this you just need to go to your TikTok. After that you click on Profile. After that you click on like 3 bars. Click on Setting and Private. Then here we select the item, account. Now here we click on the item. Password, and here should come the code either on Viber or in a regular message or Telegram, anywhere on the phone number on which you had specified in TikTok. I have already received it. Let's enter it. Enter this code. Now we can specify a new password that we want and click. Next, and after that we set a password for our TikTok, and with this method you can easily change your password in TikTok. The main thing is to observe all the points that are specified here in the password. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.